narrow space that I will take it out. So please. Yeah, if someone wants to take a sip. Let me say that they do everything here, from the digging of the clay to the selling of the final product.
É por isso? Não, não pode ser. Pode. Olá, Portugal.
That's what we had at what are these, sir?
That's okay, Moss?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. That looks good. Dorcas.
We haven't seen it since that first day.
Wow.
You want to try this? Just put it in here. Can you keep an eye where they're going?
Yeah, they're going to the right. We know where to meet them back.
Eles todos que têm. Ai, não, ele ontem não era ela poderia.
Alright, I'm sure here. Okay. 16th century, Spanish arrival. Yeah. Okay. And the Majolica, at the best. It's a Portuguese, 16th century. It's a flat, because the other is exit relief, it's a Moorish, it's a Arabic. Okay? The Majolica technique, okay, show you. Okay, I use a table, okay, and use the sands, and use the clay, the Portuguese clay. The clay comes from a North Lisbon, okay, it's a 150 kilometer North Lisbon, okay, because the local it's a red clay, it's better for the roof tiles for the house, and the pottery, it's a different clay, okay. Okay, use the rule. It's the same process for the cookies, yeah? And the pasta, yeah? It's good. And here is the thickness for the tile, yeah? Yeah. The Majolica of the 16th century is a 14 by 14 centimeters, okay? Actually, it's the same size because the normal the design or the panels you produce here, it's a replica, it's a copy of the original. And so the size, the standard, it's a 14 by 14 centimeters, okay? And use the mold, and you cut the 16, yeah? Because the clay is water, and water evaporates and the shrink, Okay? And this I'm reused again, this clay. Okay. One by one. Okay?
Okay.
And the next, you put it to dry inside here. The winter 2 to 3 months and the summer 2 to 3 weeks. Depend weather and humidity. Exists inside here. Result this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you look, it's a shrink a little. It's 1 centimeter.
Okay.
Because the water goes.
Okay.
Yeah? And the next, you put the first time for the kiln, the 1000 degrees Celsius, 18 hours. And result this. And before the painting, you test the tiles one by one, if it's good or not good. You test the sounds. It's good or not good, this? Come.
Good. Good.
Good. And this.
Big difference.
Not good?
Not good.
Oh, good.
That's good.
You look this how.
Not good.
No. The moment it's a bubbles the hair inside. Sound the sounds. And this is not. And this is a bell. It's a solid. Yeah. Okay, this is not good. It's supposed to reuse it. The moment you break and you cut the small tiles, it's possible you cut the small tiles. And this panel here, it's a good example, okay? It's supposed to use the corners or the frames. It's supposed to reuse it this. The majolica technique, this color, the white, it's a base. Because you put the base before the painting. And the base, it's a glaze. Okay? And the first, I'm with glaze and water. It's mix. Yeah. Here, it's a sample. Glaze and water. And the next, one by one, you put the glaze for the top. Yeah. And the dry, 1 day. Yeah, and result this. Yeah, it's a powder for the dry. And the next, the design. I use a stencil, open stencil, okay? And the next design, I'm a perforate the needles.
Needles.
Because the next is the charcoal powder that exists inside. Yeah. Stencil, charcoal. Okay.
Oh.
And this is a guide for the painting. Okay? And the next you look for the lace, it's good example. The next you look. Okay? And the next use the brush and the colors. And the different colors is a different matte oxide. Okay? It's a natural pigment. It's a cobalt, iron, manganese, copper. Okay? I'm sure the example here. Okay? This color is before the kiln. It's a gray. It's a cobalt. Cobalt. Okay? Before the kiln. Because you finish this, and the next you put the second time for the kiln. Okay? Because here 2 times. The first the clay and the second the colors. Okay? 6 hours. 1000 degrees Celsius, of course. And result this.
Wow.
It's a cobalt man. Okay? It's before and after the kiln. I'm sure here. Okay? Before and after the kiln. Majority.
How do you get the multiple colors? You know, yellow and blue and so forth on top of each other. We're good.
A senhora está a perguntar como é que conseguem fazer este desenho com as cores
Não, misturada.
na
É
cabeça
assim.
dela é, por isso é que tem que
Diga?
na cabeça dela.
Pronto. Não, aqui há um esverdeado e eu vou falar em português para você interpretar. Pronto, isto tem a ver com a experiência também, mas as cores aqui as melhores misturas. Ok? Aqui é diferente, por exemplo. Aqui se existe o mais glaze e mais claro, aqui tem a ver com a sensação do pigmento. Por exemplo, here, por exemplo, it's a dark blue and the clear For example, the dark blue is more concentration the pigment.
Okay.
And for example, the light is more water, and it's dilute and resulted the more light.
A lighter.
Yeah. For example, for this, it's the same. It's more light and it's more dark. It's a yellow, but it's for the experience for the painters. Yeah. Não sei explicar, mas eu
To
vou
do this, we need to have a very experienced person that knows how to have the diluted one plus the more concentrated one to have this effect.
one by one.
One by one.
Yeah.
How is it?
Pretty good.
Which one is that one? The chocolate or the almond? Almond.
Fresh Rao, I think it's called. That's the almond.